welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. On today's Quick Tip Tuesday, we've got Jamie. 2-minute timer set. Jamie, go.
All right, today, mamas, I want to talk about the importance of rest. This is something that God has totally put on my heart lately, and I just want to share it with you as a reminder. I'm talking rest as far as spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically, every single aspect. I'm telling you, this is something that I'm feeling so strong right now, and I just want to remind you, for some reason, it's one of the hardest things, right? As moms, we forget to rest. We don't allow ourselves rest. But I'm telling you, it is so strong on my heart right now. And I want to remind you from my homeschool mama heart right here, just as a mom, as a homeschool mom, all of it. Remember to take time to rest in every single area. Rest your body, rest your mind, rest your heart, your spirit, your soul, every single aspect. Remember to rest. Your children will thank you. Your husband will thank you. And don't forget that they need that rest just as much as you do, mama.
Oh, Jamie, that was so true. We as moms, we take in everything and we load everything and we forget that even God rested. So that is so powerful. Jamie, how can we connect with you? How can we find you and support all that you do and all that you are?
Yes. So you can find me here on YouTube. I'm at Simply Living It. And also I try and pop in every now and then over on Instagram at Simply Living It. That's where you can find me. I like to share motherhood, my heart, all of the things with you guys. So I thank you, Wendy, for having me here and sharing a little piece of my heart with you all. I so appreciate you.
Oh, guys, check her out. She is genuine. She is real. And you will gain so much wisdom from her. Very spirit-led. I am so proud to call her a friend. So follow her. Everything will be linked in the description. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Thank you for joining me, Jamie.
Yes, I'm so glad we got it figured out. Thank you so much.